Hey Crypto Nation, Chris here with your Exodus development update. We update Exodus every 2 weeks to keep up with the fast-moving crypto space, and over the last few months, Exodus has seen new assets and features hit the Exodus desktop and mobile applications. Most of these new additions are the result of the Exodus community asking for them. So, if there's something you want to see in your wallet, let us know. Your comments and feedback are important to us. Recently, we've been seeing some buzz surrounding the Spark token airdrop. And while some have been calling this an XRP airdrop, Spark will actually be a token on a new blockchain called the Flare Network. Eligibility for the Spark airdrop requires registering an XRP address, and Exodus has made this one tap easy in mobile and desktop. While there's still no date for the airdrop, you can register your XRP address in Exodus so that when it does happen, you'll be ready. I have to add though, there is no guarantee that Exodus will support the Spark token itself. We'll have to wait to see how the project evolves before we commit to adding it. But at least by registering your address, you'll be able to claim the tokens regardless of whether we support Spark or not. Uniswap has been in the spotlight as its popularity has overwhelmed the Ethereum network with its distribution of their governance token, UNI. Good news for UNI holders, Exodus supports the Uniswap token for secure storage and easy exchanging. Another governance token also made the cut. Comp, the governance token of the Compound protocol, is now available in your wallet. Algorand and Zilliqa have also found a place on the Exodus team with the addition of the ALGO and Zill token. But that's not all. If you have Algorand in Exodus, you can earn crypto rewards by simply holding your tokens in your Exodus wallet. We've introduced a new app called Rewards. The Rewards app enables the staking power of not only Algorand, but of Cosmos Atom, Tezos XTZ, Neo, and VeChain. This means you can easily earn interest on these assets in your Exodus wallet. No technical knowledge is required, no extra wallets or equipment, and no online exchange account that controls your funds. You can earn crypto rewards within your own wallet with just a tap or two. And last but certainly not least, a long-awaited feature is finally here. We're not going to pretend that this didn't take a long time to get right, because it did, but we hope the wait was worth it. Introducing Bitcoin custom fees. You can now set your own fees when sending Bitcoin, and it looks beautiful in Exodus. But we didn't stop there, because setting low fees can sometimes cause Bitcoin transactions to get stuck. We've also added RBF, short for replace by fee. What this feature basically does is allow you to accelerate a super low transaction by replacing it with one that has a higher fee. This means your transaction will get confirmed faster and eliminate any long wait time. Which new asset or feature grabbed your attention most? For me, the most exciting addition is the Rewards app. I'm personally a fan of proof of stake coins, and earning over 8% on Cosmos and over 5% on Tezos sounds really good to me. Let us know in the comments what you think and what other assets, features, or apps you'd like to see. That wraps up this development update. Until next time, hold on.